Hey you and welcome. My name is Guy, and in this video we are going to look at the part of our CancerStat service that shows you the recently added companies, drugs and treatments. At the moment we're here on the home page with the client's name up here at the top, as you can see. If we scroll down here, okay, just like down to here, we have the recently added companies, drugs and treatments, as you can see. This is on the welcome page once you've logged in. And then you can see 4 of the most recent companies, healthcare and pharmaceutical companies that have been added in, and also 4 of the most recently added drugs, treatments, and trials. And these are all cancer drugs, treatments, and trials, although we do also include anything to do with the vaccines with regards to COVID-19. Okay, so to look at the recently added companies, drugs, and treatments as a full list, we click on it. The page refreshes, and here you can see we have it recently added to CancerStat. We have the health care and pharmaceutical companies here, and the drugs, treatments, and trials. So you can see which ones have been added overnight here. Companies there, drugs here, going backwards. And when you have the little red logo here next to a drug or next to a company, it means that there has been a new article within the last 24 hours. But if we just scroll down here slowly, you will see the wide variety of companies that have been added, but also the wide variety of drugs and treatments. And no doubt some of you will notice not just the drugs which are under clinical trial, but those which are being looked at as potential vaccines or treatments for COVID-19. Okay, so just scrolling down here, you can see really there are a large number added every day. And going back here, you can go back through previous pages as well by clicking on that, and then you can see which drugs have been added when. Incidentally, the new drugs and companies are also mentioned in the daily emails at the top, so you're always alerted to them. There's a click through straight to those drugs and treatments as well. Over here we have the hot news makers. I'll just point out very quickly. This shows when there's been a news splash on a company or on a particular cancer drug, treatment, or trial. So it's when it's particularly unusual. Okay, and you can click on these obviously to go straight through to that particular part of the service. Scrolling back up, if you want to add ask for a particular company or drug to be added, you can do that over here via the client requests, which we will show in another video as to how exactly to do that. But as you can see, the service is very flexible. It's continually being updated. Our team of researchers are always on the lookout for new drugs to add in, and also new companies, whether they be companies being spun out of an existing pharmaceutical company, or perhaps a new pharmaceutical company that's been started up with seed funding. So all that is left for me to do is to say thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it, and we will see you as always really soon in the next video. Take care of yourselves in the meantime. Guy out.